Hello traders. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a machine learning moving average that is so accurate to use. Many traders struggle to find the best moving average to use when trading because it's too hard to find the best period for the moving average since it is different to each asset or time frame. However, this indicator that I'm about to share with you solves this problem because it uses machine learning algorithm to determine the best moving period based on the current market condition. It is an algorithm that self-adapts and finds the best moving average period based on machine learning and optimization calculations. So traders, stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to share with you everything about this indicator. But before we go into the video, please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Without any further delay, let's start. To add this indicator on our chart, let's navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for machine learning and optimization. Select the one made by Simon. When you add the indicator to your chart, it will appear clear as if you didn't add any indicator. Then we go to indicator setting to set it for it to appear in the chart and also for more understanding of it. Click on the indicator setting. On the input setting, the amount of historical data, we can set it to all data or custom. But if you set it to custom, the indicator will only do its calculation based on the amount you put in. So we are going to choose all data because we want it to do larger calculation for more accurate result. On the optimization goal, you can see that we have three options: the performance, win rate and combined. The first option, which is the performance, means that it will do its calculation and returns the period that has the best performance. The second option is the win rate, which means that it will do the calculation and returns the period that gives the best win rate. And the third option is combined. This means that it is going to do its calculation by combining both the performance and win rate separately and choose the best period with the highest ranking in both aspects. Then we choose combined since we are aimed to balance their profitability and win rate. After that, click on the activate machine learning. Lastly, change the SMA to EMA. And after that, press OK to go back to the chart. As you can see, the EMA has been updated. Looking at the right corner of our chart, you can see the status of the indicator. And on our chart, you can see that the indicator has two EMA, which the blue is the fast moving average and the green is the slow moving average. Now that we know how the indicator works, let's take a look on how you can read the indicator. The easiest way to interpret this indicator is that when the fast moving average crosses above the slow moving average and they expands, it means that price is on uptrend and the fast and slow moving average of the indicator will be below the candle. And when the fast line crosses below the slow line and they expands, this means that the price is on downtrend and the slow and fast line of the indicator will be above the candle. With this method, we can easily identify the trend of the market. So let's see how we can enter a trade using this indicator. Seeing that the fast line has crossed below the slow line and it has expanded, trading above the candles, indicating that price is on downtrend. Then we wait to see a rejection to the slow line, and after the rejection, we need to see a candlestick closing below the fast line to tell us that price is still maintaining the downtrend. And after seeing a candle closing below the fast moving, we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the moving average and targeting at least 2 risk-reward ratio. Here we see that the fast line has crossed above the slow line and it has expanded, trading below the candles, which tells us that price is on uptrend. Then you wait to see a rejection to the slow line, and after seeing the rejection, you need to wait to see a candle closing above the fast line to tell you that price is still maintaining the uptrend. And after seeing a candle closing above the slow moving average, you can enter a trade setting your stop loss below the moving averages and targeting at least 2 risk-reward ratio. To avoid all some of this false signals given by the indicator. Then we apply the volume oscillator. To add this indicator on our chart, we navigate to indicator search bar. There we search for volume oscillator. Select the one made by TradingView. The volume oscillator indicator is a technical analysis tool that measures volume by measuring the relationship between two moving averages. The volume oscillator indicator calculates a fast and slow volume moving average. And this indicator has two features, which is the moving average and the zero line. How this indicator works is that it helps us to calculate the momentum in the market. And when there is enough momentum to push the market, the indicator moving average will be above the zero line. And when there is no momentum in the market, the moving average will be below the zero line. Understanding how this works, let's see how we can place a trade combining the two indicators. On seeing that the fast line has crossed below the slow line of the moving averages and it has expanded, trading above the candles, telling us that price is on downtrend. Then we wait to see a rejection to the slow line, and after the rejection, we need to see a candlestick closing below the fast line, telling us that price is still maintaining the downtrend. And after seeing a candle closing below the fast line, then we check the volume oscillator to see if it is above the zero line, and on confirming that it is above the zero line, then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the moving averages and targeting to risk-reward ratio. Here we saw that the fast line has crossed above the slow line and it has expanded, trading below the candles, which tells us that price is on uptrend. Then you wait to see a rejection to the slow line, and after seeing the rejection, you need to wait to see a candle closing above the fast line to tell you that price is still maintaining an uptrend. Then we are going to check the volume oscillator to see if it is above the zero line, and on confirming that it is above the zero line, then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss below the moving averages and targeting to risk-reward ratio. As we have come to the end of the video, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to attempt on them. Also remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you on our next video.